If you need to see individual responses in SurveyMonkey, I'll walk you through it step by step in just a moment. This is really useful when you want to review one person's full survey submission, check specific answers, or troubleshoot results more carefully instead of only looking at charts and summaries. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to SurveyMonkey. Once you're on the homepage, sign into your account if you haven't already. After you're logged in, you'll want to choose the survey that contains the responses you want to review. So from your dashboard, click on the survey you want to analyze. Once the survey opens, look for the Analyze Results section. This is where SurveyMonkey stores all of your response data in a more detailed view. Click on Analyze Results to continue. On this page, you'll usually see charts, summaries, and other reporting options, but what we want is the individual response view. Next, find and click Individual Responses. This option lets you move away from the summary charts and open each completed survey submission one at a time. This is especially helpful if you want to see exactly how one respondent answered every question in the survey from start to finish. After that, SurveyMonkey will show you the responses list. Here, click the View button. That opens the full individual response record. From there, you can inspect the answers for that one submission in detail, including the order they were given and any open-ended written responses. If your survey has lots of replies, you can keep using the navigation controls to move through individual responses one by one. That makes it easy to compare submissions, review outliers, or verify a specific participant's answers without digging through charts or exports. And that's it. Now you know how to see individual responses in SurveyMonkey. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. Go to SurveyMonkey, open your survey, click Analyze Results, choose Individual Responses, and then use the View button to open each response. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.